Hey everyone, and welcome to Frame. This quick getting started video will show you how to get to frame, move around frames, and finally create your own frames. From there, you'll be in a good position to check out the other videos that you can dive deeper and see how to customize your frame and hold successful meetings inside of them. So let's get started. What you should do is head to framevr.io in a web browser, and on PC or Chromebook, we recommend the Chrome browser or Firefox if you have it. And if you're on a Mac or iOS device, then we recommend Safari. Now, once you are here, the scene will load up and you can move around frames a few ways. So you can use the arrow keys to move, or if you prefer, you can use the WASD keys on your keyboard to move around. To look around, you can click and drag with your mouse or a touchpad, or if you're using the WASD keys, you can also use the Q and E keys to look to the left or the right. A quick tip, if you're moving around and you'd like to move a little bit faster, if you hold Shift while you're moving, you will double your speed. Okay, now the frame here at framevr.io is just sort of a simple frame that lets you explore some of its features, but you'll probably want to create your own frame. So to do that, you need to make an account. So click a button up at the top right and you'll see a sidebar expand. And from here you can make an account. You can sign in with a social provider, or you can sign up with an email address. I'm going to sign up with a new email address right now. Here we go. I'm going to give myself a password and I'm going to log in or sign up. So it says we sent you an email to verify your email address, which is all good. I'm going to now quickly check my email and verify my address. I got my email. I clicked the link to verify it. It said success, you're all good. And now when I click this, it should in fact log me in. And there we go. So here, there are lots of fun things we can dive into in the sidebar, but I'm going to get to those in other videos. What I want you to do now is click on the Create a Frame button and give your frame a name. This is the frame that you are going to create and be the owner of. So give it a name. This is the name that will appear in the link after framevr.io. So it'll be framevr.io/ whatever you put in here. I'm going to call this Best Tutorial Ever. And I'm going to press create. In the frame name, you can have numbers, lowercase letters, or hyphens. So it said, nice, this is yours, go there. Now when you click go there, it will load up the link to your new frame. And when you click connect, you will be in your frame and a quick tutorial will run that shows you how to make use of some of the features. I encourage you to do this tutorial, and I also encourage you to check out other videos that will be here on this website. So have at it. Let us know if you have any questions, and good luck as you create your frame. This is the link, by the way, that if you share to someone else and they put it in a browser and press connect, they will then be inside your frame with you with voice chat, and you'll have avatars and you can interact as well. Okay, there you have it. Good luck.